In this demo, we'll explore Quipli's inventory management system, built to give you real-time control over everything you rent, sell, or service. We'll start in the Products tab, where you can manage every rental and retail item in your catalog. At a glance, you can view stock levels and configure rental pricing tiers for hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly rentals, or set up custom pricing structures that match your business model. You can also add new items to your fleet and manage availability across multiple locations. You can filter products by category, location, or status, and use the action columns to quickly edit or remove items. If there's an item you only want to use internally, you can disable it, which hides it from your e-commerce storefront while keeping it available for back-office use. The Product Units tab gives you a complete view of every serialized asset in your rental fleet, including status, location, upcoming transfers or work orders, and live availability. At a glance, you'll see which units are available on rent, off rent, soft down, or hard down, so you can make informed decisions quickly. If you've configured automated service schedules, unit statuses will update automatically to reflect downtime, marking items as soft down or hard down based on the service trigger and schedule. This tab also surfaces utilization metrics directly, helping you track how effectively your equipment is being used across your rental network. For deeper insights, the product report breaks down utilization, revenue, and average rental rates by location, product type, and category, helping you identify underperforming assets, optimize pricing, and make smarter decisions about fleet growth. The Parts tab lets you manage service inventory, like filters, fluids, and replacement components, with real-time stock tracking and bulk import and export tools. The Services tab is where you define billable labor and service charges, so work like tire replacements or diagnostics is consistently tracked and invoiced. With Quipli's inventory management system, you always know what's available, where it is, and how it's performing, so your team can stay organized and manage rentals with ease.